This little cleaning gel is one of those simple things that's really handy to keep around. I've been using it for those small spaces that are harder to clean, like car vents, cup holder edges, keyboards, remotes, and little corners around the house. When you first open it, it may feel a little jelly-like, especially in warmer weather, but after kneading it for a bit, it softens up and is much easier to use. I just press it gently into the area I want to clean, lift it away, and it helps pick up dust and little bits of food left behind and things like that from those tighter spaces. What I like about this is that it's quick to use and easy to store, so it's nice to keep in the car or in a drawer for little touch-ups. I actually bought 2 of them. The magnolia scent is a nice extra too, and my home sweet home tip is to keep one of these in your car console or your desk drawer for those little in-between cleanups, especially in the spots that don't always get attention during regular cleaning. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission if you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.